doing it. Then the quality time right here. You know where are we at? We at the usual spot.
We're here every 2 weeks when we get paid.
For reals.
Shit, I better hope the same thing for my birthday, motherfucker. Hope you go to Mexico.
Nah, we'll take dollar menu, Adrian.
I don't know, Adrian meant just Tommy's and George's from my mother. Oh, but we go to the trashy place over here. Something cheap.
We just finished, bro. Muhammad Ali shuffle. Let's see, let's see.
I'm gonna show you.
Let's see, Adrian, let's see. That shit was busting, bro. Thanks, Papa.
10 out of 10.
Thanks, Papa. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Josh. And we're gonna come again, fool. See, that's how they treat us over here. Royalty over here.
Cheesy one. What's up, everybody? Back out here at the beach, you know, post it up every Friday. You know, we're with the homies right now.
Hosh.
So we're about to eat, bro.
Hey.
A place to eat, bro. I'm kind of hungry, bro.
What are we about to eat at?
Juan. Sorry, my bad. Factual shout out Plug and Play.
I was that one for a week.
Shout out Plug and Play. Shout out Guayaki. Or any yerba mate fucking company, bro.
Kind of hungry, bro.
Factual shout out Brambles. What you trying to eat, Josh?
Eat that pussy.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, my mom watches this, bro. No,
What you trying to eat?
I want some chili cheese fries, bro.
Bro, it's a good angle, bro.
I'm trying to eat some chili cheese. Nah, you can see like on my fucking scars and shit, bro.
Alright. Daddy, what you about to eat? What you about to eat at? Rest in peace, bro.
Oh, yeah, factual. I knew it, bro. I'm starving.
Let's go, let's see. See how many you guys get. Who remembers this? That's 2. 3. 4? This is skill. Hey, Adrian, let's play.
I don't know how to play, bro.
You don't know how to play? What the fuck?
I'm slow as fuck.
Let's see how fast you are, Adrian. Shuffle the shuffle. Judge the shuffle. No, the boxing one.
I thought you went to dance, fool.
Yeah, let's see.
The boxing shuffle.
Oh, that shit was good. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh. No, what the fuck is that? Dude, the bird is the warrior. The bird is the warrior, whatever the fuck. That shit... Fucking Adrian. That shit was human. Oh, fuck. Fucking Josh. Only Josh. Keep on. Oh, he getting his work. Hey, want to see the triangle ones? The triangle ones. Let's see. Put your nose on the floor, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Did you fart? No. Hey, that's my turn one?
Hey, I couldn't even do
I don't think I could do one. No, I know I can't do one. What am I talking about? Adrian?
I'm on the floor, I can't get back up.
Let's see, Adrian.
Hell no. You got me fucked up.
We're over here popping. Josh is here pop.
Because it's different engine size.
It's here, Josh.
And different turbo size, so that's what I'm saying. But there is the same brand, but it's gonna be completely different. Like the little pipes and everything's gonna be completely different from the intake. But
can we hear it, Josh? Let me get back. Hold on. Go for it.
I get a whole ice cream.
Little baby pops on the outside.
That's what I'm saying. It pops now. So if you were to do another pull, like it'll.
Try pour real quick, fool. Yeah, look at this. Look at this quality, bro. Someone screenshot that. Put that on the back of your phone or on your what do you call it? Your home screen. Baby Brambles, huh? Factual clean as EcoBoost.
I don't know why he doesn't put that in the bio.
Factual. Like, I don't know how you guys feeling about this.
Baby's butt. In my head. And it's a 28 for you?
Look at the Edgar. He's cheating on you. That's why.
Who the fuck fucks up your head on the side, bro?
You.
Shout out Adrian.
Vespa. Shout out Vespa.
Shout out Adrian.
Fashion. Shout out. Aiden for cutting us all up. Actually, I need a haircut too coming up soon.
Stop the cap.
I usually wait a little while, but I don't know. I kind of need one now.
Adrian's service, A1. Even he offered you drinks, whatever. He fed me today.
Faction. Must be nice. I don't get that type of service. I get hot, sweaty ass. That's all I get.
the worst times, bro. You get at the time where like I least expect it.
And it was summertime. Well, summertime's the worst.
And
But we managed.
shout out Plug and Play. We out here shouting people things we're grateful for right
Shout
now.
out Adrian, obviously. Chalino Cuss, tapping with Cuss.
Chalino Cuss.
Bro. You know,
Tap in with him.
I'm not licensed yet, but I'm going to school yet. You know, I'm still an up-and-coming barber, you know.
Hey, give him a chance.
Let him know about you.
You know, I'm learning more every day. Every time I cut hair, I learn.
Give him a
every
chance
day.
like that fit you wore out the house.
For real.
Right?
Hey, yeah, but shout out Plug and Play. Pound cake, fire. Finally got my hands in it. Fire.
Hey, bro, over here running over. Shout out any yerba mate company, bro. Sponsor me. I'm looking for a company. Or I want to join a company. I mean, shit, that'd be pretty sick. I drink the Guayaki brand. I don't know if I'm even saying that right.
What the fuck were you even branding out here, bro?
I also like the one with the Jaguar on it. That one's sick. I don't know the brand, but I get it at 7-Eleven. My homie always hooks me up with the softest, what you call them? The chocolate, not chocolate almonds. Chocolate, fuck. Not croissants. Yeah, chocolate croissant. He always gives me the softest ones. There's a lady that works there. She always gives me the hardest ones. That shit pisses me off. No offense, but she do be cooking them, but she just be giving me the bad batch. All right, then we're gonna get a little pool for Josh. Let's see. All right, bro. No, we're good. We're good.
We're gonna got some hibachi. Hibachi Papi, like Jaja.
Shout it out.
Papi. That's what they call you, Jaja.
Sorry, bro. We're walking fast. We're trying to get to the car. This shit's cold. We waited forever for Aiden's food, like always.
What the fuck? Fucking guy, bro. You fucking ordered like balut or something.
Yeah.
Should put a picture of balut right now.
Back
on the
to
screen.
No, literally, yeah.
we'll show a picture. Let's see.
Right here. About to be already 11.
Yeah, faction. Josh, how you liking your little upgrade? Or exhaust work?
Everything's awesome. Feels good. Now we're about to pull business out.
Alright, Juan. You just link with Juan. Shout out Juan.
Hello. Ando bien tumbado.
Oh, Adrian, were you at somewhere back there?
Same, bro.
Now we're right here with fucking Josh. With his fucking whip. What do you get then? A resonator and muffler delete.
Yep.
That shit sounds fucking bad. I ain't gonna cap. I like the fucking mean ass pop.
His lights are low.
We're about to head on the 90 though, so this is my first time ever hearing him like a full smash on the freeway. Like a quick.